Left, left, left.
So cute.
Is this the end?
Yep.
Thank God.
Oh,
Thank God. So was that 3 miles or a mile and a half?
3 miles.
we did it.
We did it.
Waves are crashing, time stands still. Moonlit nights, a perfect thrill. Laughter echoes through the night. In this moment, pure delight.
You moved it. I told them don't put this here. God damn it.
Alright, we're done.
Holy. We're not done, we gotta go up.
Go up. To the left.
Okay, professional. Really?
I'm an outdoors guy.
My arm is killing me.
Look, you little silly punk ass. Get up here. Get up here. You ain't good. Give me your right hand. Oh well, I'm gonna get one, but this one.
You next?
Yep.
Mom said let's help three. Mom gonna do.
Well, CJ.
Come here, honey. You got it.
I'm good. Oh. Ooh.
Watch your mouth. Let me go.
Okay. I am done.
What'd you do? Your shoes ain't even dirty. You better get them dirty.
Yep. I'm good. We did it. We did it.
You got that, TJ?
I did.
I was gonna try and scare you guys, but you were right behind me. Oh my god, oh my gosh.
And all that noise.
But I stopped. I know. That's because I stopped you there. And I was like, I turned around and got having a good time, Sage.
Feel the summer in our soul. Let the music take control. Every moment young and free. In this summer, you and me.
Dad, they gotta come. You gotta come out more. All right. Oh, they're getting them. Oh my God. You heard?
What?
They're pulling them out. My parents.
Oh my gosh.
They're gonna get out. Come on, dude.
Oh my god.
They're like, oh, oh, oh. You're laughing at them?
Yeah.
How did you guys get?
Because I told you.
You have to push out first. You have to go out further. Because it's so shallow. His feet were getting stuck.
Yeah, I think shoes. Because the water goes right through. It's not closed.
Whoa.
Daddy was saying, this is ridiculous. Left.
Right, when you going left, you're gonna go right into them, you fool. Right. Left.
They're in sync now. Look at that back. Yeah.
Really? Yeah. Okay.
Keep going.
Unless they just
Let's go before your stuff gets wet.
I'm good. That's good.